Hey guys, happy Saturday. I know it's been a while since I've really posted and done any DIYs or anything. But I'm getting back in the groove, back in, trying to get back into life here. um, but yeah, so I went to Dee Dee's the other day and I saw these and I like these because they're not the normal pink and like colorful ones that they usually have. I love these because they're more neutral, and that's why I grabbed them. Now, I don't usually work in one sixth scale or like Barbie size, but I figured I have the kitchen that I made that I haven't made a sink for yet, but I made a stove and a refrigerator. But I got these because, like I said, I love the neutral color, and it does have like all the little pieces to go with it. And the sink with the cabinet was $5.99, and the refrigerator with the stove was $9.99. So if I think about it, I'll put the link here of the like a short clip that I took while I was there that had like the pink and all the other kitchen sets that they had at Dee Dee's, but I know Ross has them as well. So definitely, if you're looking for something like this and you don't want to make them and you don't want to pay a lot for them, check out Dee Dee's or Ross because they have these. And like I said, they have other colors, but I loved the neutral color. I don't love the gold. I may change that, make it a different color, like the gold sink. I don't really like the gold, but we'll see what I do about that. But let me take them out of the packaging and then I'll show you all the little details. It does take batteries and I don't know if it has them or not. So if it takes batteries, because it says that it's supposed to do something, but I don't see anything happening. So it may just need some new batteries. But let me take them out of the packaging because I am holding the camera. I don't have my tripod or anything. So let me take it out and I will be back. All right, so this is what it looks like out of the package. They do open up and there is like plastic, big old hands here. Hold on a second. So the cabinets are like, the doors are like cream and the rest of it's white. So that's kind of weird. I didn't really notice it until now. Sorry, my son was calling me there. But yeah, so like they're a little bit off in color. If you can tell, like this is a little bit more cream and this part is a little bit more white, the top and then like the sink, but it's not horrible and it's not that big of a deal. The glass on the doors, it does have like plastic on there to make it look like glass. It's just, just plastic. Everything is plastic. So it comes with two like little cans and people keep calling me. It comes with like two little cans and then a bottle of something there, two plates, two little cups, a like teacup or something like that, and then a little tray with all the little serving pieces on there. There is a picture on the back of the wall there. It's just cardboard, so you can take it out and make it plain if you want to. That way when you fill the cabinets with stuff, you know, you just see that part of it. Also, this is just a sticker back here, so you can always put like some kind of a backsplash there. You have this here with the little hooks, with the spatula, the knife, the ladle. And then the sink, and let's see, this does move around here. And I know the lighting is a little off. And then the bottom cabinets also open up. And there were two little pots in there with it. And then again, another little like sticker or picture on the back, which you could always just take off and replace. And that'd be a cute little spot to put all of like your cleaning supplies and stuff that usually goes under your kitchen sink. And if you wanted to add a little bit of something extra, you can put like pipes down there if you wanted to. So that is the one set, and that one was $5.99 for everything that you saw there. And then the next set was the stove with the refrigerator, and this set was $9.99 for both pieces. So the cabinets do open up here. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. It does make noise, but it is very, very loud. So I'm not going to do it. And it does light up. Well, let me do it one time and I'll kind of hold it back here. Oh, it's extremely loud. So that lights up and the oven lights up. It's very, very loud. So sorry if that was too loud. But again, then these top cabinets open up and it just has the pictures in the background. And then you have your stove hood there. I don't know if you can really, there you go. Has the hood and the little, you know, sticker with the buttons and the lights and all that stuff. Then you have the 4 burners, but it is really small. So when you put the pots and pans that came with it on there, you can only put like 1 on each side. But nonetheless, I think the pots that came with this over here might be a better fit. Hold on a second. So this is the pot that came with the sink and it fits a little bit better. So there's that. And then you've got the pan or the grates in there. Again, there's a picture. Let's see if I can get in there. A picture in the back with a pizza and a cake, I believe, back there. And then you have your little broiler, or as we used to use it for pots and pans, down there. And then you have your refrigerator. It did come with a glass, and then it has these little things of like ice cubes, but they don't fit in the glass. It would have been cute if they would have fit in there, but they don't. No big deal. Then you have these top little this top little cabinet for stuff, which is, you know, extra storage, which is cool. Then the refrigerator doors do open. Trying to do this with one hand is a little difficult. So you've got your fridge, and then again you have just a picture in the back, and then don't fall. Hold on. Then you have your freezer on the bottom, which opens and closes. And now again, sorry, all my stuff is falling. It's okay. But I was thinking, let me see if I can do this while you guys are here. Just real quick. I have a ton of, I'm sitting on my floor, by the way, in my bedroom. I have a ton of these mini brands, and I thought they would be a good size. And that's really why I bought this, because this is only some of them right here. I do have plenty more where these came from. Some of these might be a little bit big, but let's see what we can find. So we've got some salad dressing that could fit in there. And I always thought that this thing of soy sauce was like ridiculously sized. This looks more like an antifreeze bottle or something like that. So we're not going to use that because that's kind of weird. But above the stove, we can put some stuff in here too. These seasoning packets are a little bit, these seasoning bottles, maybe this vanilla will fit in there. Put that vanilla in there. Oops, this pepper might fit in there. There we go. There we go, there we go. We got some stuff going on. We got some taco seasoning that we can set in there. Just, trying to get some use out of these mini brands because I have so many of them. Got some stovetop stuffing that can go in there. What else do we have over here? That's candy. That's candy. Maybe put some relish in here. Got some relish. Oh, we can put some ice cream in the freezer. Oh, I knew that was going to happen at some point. Hold on. Let me open. Oops. Can't do this with one hand. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right. Let's try this again. So we're going to put some ice cream in the bottom there. Put this back in here. Put this back in here. That's the thing about miniatures. I usually put some like putty or something down there to kind of hold them, but I didn't think about it. So we've got these little jalapeno, cheddar poppers we can throw into the freezer there. Oh, we got some, these are not mini brands. These are, I forgot what these are called, but they have actual little popsicles in there that can go in there. We got some guacamole. Put that in the fridge there. See, now we've got some stuff to kind of fill our refrigerator up. And again, if that backing was just a solid color, it would look a lot better. So that's just something that I decided I wanted to add. We can put some cereal up here, some Great Nut cereal. So yeah, I have plenty more that I could fill it up with. I also have another container up there on my bed. But yeah, see, we've got food that we can fill the little cabinets and stuff up with, little spices and whatnot. And I think it'll look a lot better once I cover up the backgrounds and make them a solid color. Maybe put a backsplash on there. And again, I think I'm going to paint the, like, I don't like the pink knobs on there. Kind of throws everything off. But yeah, I just got this and I thought I'd share it with you guys. And once I set it up, I will take a nice little video or picture of it and change, or maybe I'll just do a video when I change it all up and add it to this. We'll see. But yeah, this is what I've got so far. All right, bye guys.